Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. So, we are now dealing with Chemistry Lesson 2 about the historical Pasteur's research scientific method using research to solve practical problems MCQ. Okay, let's continue. Chem Lesson 2 Historical Background, the Pasteur scientific method using research to solve practical problems. Intended learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to A. Describe the steps of the scientific method as demonstrated by Louis Pasteur in his experiments. Letter B. Explain how Pasteur used careful observation, experimentation, and analysis to solve real-world problems. Letter C. Appreciate the role of systematic research in preventing diseases and improving human life. Letter D. Reflect on the importance of applying science to address practical societal needs. Number 1. The scientific method as a tool. The scientific method is the process by which scientists systematically investigate questions and problems. It involves observation, forming hypotheses, conducting experiments, and analyzing results and drawing conclusions. Louis Pasteur is one of history's greatest examples of how this method can be applied not only to understand nature, but also to solve urgent real-world issues. Pasteur's use of the scientific method. Step number 1. Observation. Pasteur noticed problems faced by society in agriculture, medicine, and industry. For example, French wine and beer producers suffered from spoiled batches of alcohol due to unknown causes. Number two. Number two, uh, a question. What causes the spoilage of beverages? Is it a natural process or is something else responsible? Number three, hypothesis. Pasteur hypothesized that living microorganisms, not spontaneous generation, cause spoilage. Step number 4. Experimentation. He used the famous one neck flask experiment where nutrient broth, remained sterile unless exposed to dust and microbes from the air. This proved that microorganisms came from the existing microbes, not from non-living matter. Step number 5, analysis. He analyzed the data showing that contamination occurred only when the broth was exposed to microorganisms. Step number 6, conclusion. He concluded that microbes were responsible for fermentation and spoilage. This led to the development of pasteurization, a process of heating liquids to kill harmful microorganisms without affecting taste. Practical problems solved by Pasteur. Letter A, wine and beer industry. He saved France wine and beer industries by developing pasteurization. Letter B, silkworm disease. When silkworm in France were dying, threatening the silk industry, Pasteur investigated the cause and discovered a microbial infection. His solution restored silk production. Letter C, medicine. His work on microbes led directly to the germ theory of disease, proving that many illnesses were caused by microorganisms. This changed the way doctors and hospitals practice medicine. Letter D, vaccines. Using systematic experimentation, he developed vaccines for anthrax and rabies, showing that weakened, weakened forms of microbes could protect against deadly diseases. Lessons from Pasteur's scientific approach. Letter A, Pasteur's work shows that careful, systematic research can solve pressing societal issues. Letter B, his method combined theory and practice. He used science not just to explain phenomena, but to help farmers, doctors, and industries. Letter C, he demonstrated values of perseverance, curiosity, and service to humanity, which are essential for young scientists today. Question number 1. How did Pasteur's use of observation and experimentation change the way people viewed diseases? Before Louis Pasteur's time, people believed in the miasma theory of disease, which claimed that illnesses were caused by bad air or foul odors from decaying matter. This idea persisted for centuries because there was little scientific evidence to challenge it. Pasteur changed this thinking by carefully applying scientific observation and experimentation. Number 1, observation of microorganisms. Pasteur studied fermentation and spoilage in wine, beer, and milk. He observed under the microscope that tiny living organisms, which are microbes, were responsible for these changes. This led him to suggest that microorganisms might also be responsible for human and animal diseases. Number 2, experimentation and proof. In his famous swan neck flask experiment, Pasteur demonstrated that microbes came from the environment and not from the spontaneous generation. He designed controlled experiments to prove that microorganisms cause infection, laying the foundation for the germ theory of the disease. Next, number 3, impact on disease understanding. Pasteur's experiments showed that diseases were not caused by bad air or supernatural forces, but by specific microorganisms. This shifted the medical field toward prevention and treatment, leading to sterilization techniques, vaccines, and improved hygiene practices. Now, how people views change. So before Pasteur, diseases were mysterious, often blamed on bad air, curses, or punishment from the gods. After Pasteur, diseases could be studied, understood, prevented, and cured through science. Key points: Pasteur's use of careful observation and systematic experimentation replaced superstition with evidence-based science, saving millions of lives and transforming medicine into a science-driven discipline. Question number 2. What practical problems in today's world, sample climate change, pollution, food shortages, could benefit from a similar scientific approach? Louis Pasteur's way of carefully observing problems, forming hypotheses, experimenting, and applying results to real-life needs can serve as a model for addressing today's global challenges. His work teaches us that science is not just about knowledge, but also about practical solutions that improve human lives. Number 1, climate change. Letter A, observation. Global temperatures are rising, glaciers are melting, and extreme weather events are more frequent. Letter B, scientific approach. Researchers collect climate data over decades. They use models to predict future changes. Solutions are tested, such as renewable energy sources, the solar, the wind, and the hydropower, and carbon capture technologies. Letter C, impact. Similar to how Pasteur's findings transformed medicine, these scientific methods can guide policies to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and slow down global warming. Number 2, pollution in air, water, and soil. Letter A, observation. Polluted rivers, smog-filled cities, and plastic waste harming ecosystems. Letter B, scientific approach. Identifying the sources of pollution through chemical analysis. Testing eco-friendly alternatives, biodegradable plastics, green fuels, using biotechnology to develop microorganisms that can break down pollutants, bioremediation. Letter C, impact. Just as Pasteur's discovered how microbes could spoil wine, today's scientists study how pollutants damage nature and work to clean our environment. We will have the next part of this lesson, number 2.